A dynamite 3,268-point move. Zero drawdown. Sniper entries, successive wins, low risks, high win rate, and consistent profits, you name it. Curious? Well, stick around to discover how. Let's jump right in. We have here epic signals that were generated in part 5 of this video series on the US 35-minute time frame. The first live buy signal was at 22:20 on April 21st, as indicated here with a green horizontal line that marks the signal trigger level. The market reopens on April 22nd. We get a second buy signal live at 1:35 and a third one at 2:05, all times GMT +2. The first buy signal offered a staggering 2,411-point move by 1700 hours, April 23rd. Note, these signals offered massive gains without any further revisits to even the signal trigger levels after takeoff. Let's now get further updates on these signal moves. The current price level is shown here live on the 1-hour time frame on May 2nd. Scrolling back to April 21st, we can see how the market kept soaring, taking out one swing high after another. To put things into perspective and to monitor the moves easily, we have displayed 3 horizontal lines that mark each of the buy signal trigger levels. There is the April 23rd high of day, where we anticipated a decent pullback thereafter, followed by higher prices as stated explicitly in part 5. We get a retracement here, with the market unraveling exactly as analyzed, as well as these subsequent upward moves. And here we are at the current price on the live market with these beautiful moves. Let's now proceed to see what each of the buy signal has offered at the current price level, shall we? The first live buy signal now measures over 3,400 points, a massive increase from the 2,411 points it offered at the level shown on April 23rd in part 5 of this video series. Amazing! The second live buy signal now measures over 3,260 points. Stunning! The third live buy signal also delivered, now measuring a whopping 3,240 plus points. With proper risk management and good trade management skills, grabbing massive chunks of these moves will be a no-brainer. Jumping onto the daily time frame now for further updates. Here, we can also see market void 4 was created with the April 23rd market open up thrust, which later got filled just as anticipated when we got the decent pullback. Your attention was drawn to this gap at the latter segment of part 5 of this video series, based on the market's tendency to gravitate towards such voids. We then get an upward move following the gap fill, one that rallies to take out the liquidity resting above these highs right here. Now, market void 2 is yet to be filled. Again, make a mental note of this gap for any future moves. With this last rally, the market then goes on to face some resistance at the support level created on March 31st, where price is currently sitting on Friday, May 2nd. For starters, a drop in price from this level is expected as a result of the opposing level shown. We can now update these buy signals with the measured moves accordingly to reflect all gains made by Friday, May 2nd, 2025. Buy signal 1. Buy signal 2. Buy signal 3. Watch parts 1 through to part 5 of this video series to get the full picture. You can see these buy signals live in action in part 5, a walkthrough video detailing the buy signal trigger times as well as live trade entries. You may want to jump onto your charts to verify these moves. Next, just take a second look at the gains for each buy signal, juxtaposed with the move that goes against the signal, with buy signals 2 and 3 having little to no drawdown. We're talking a 3,268-point move with zero drawdown. Live dynamite signals, simply phenomenal. Now, these are the kind of trade signals worth exploring in the free upcoming self-study live sessions. In case you're still wondering, these signals were generated by Techarythmic's flagship market solution, the all-in-one Pathfinder 317 Explosive Scalper Indicator. a non-repaint market structure and momentum trailblazer that is conquering the markets. Just master it. You'll never look back. If you find this video informative, please give it a like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of future videos, as well as the free upcoming TTAC live sessions. Get ready for an eye-opening and game-changing experience. Now, considering where price is currently sitting following the liquidity rates, that is, at the daily time frame opposing key level, we can now expect a drop in price. This is the part where you await a shift in market structure on a lower time frame and a subsequent retracement for potential shorts. Sell signals triggered in close proximity to this zone could offer great gains with proper risk management, as outlined earlier. Now, do have a go by conducting your own market analysis and share your thoughts in the designated comments section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the upcoming free TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.